Our group is the social change, and our topic is legalization of marijuana. We chose this topic because it's a very controversial and social taboo within our nation. The government has declared marijuana to be a drug that is illegal and life-threatening, when in reality they could make it into a positive resource for our economy like it once was. It all started in 1619. The first Marijuana Law Act was enacted in Jamestown Colony, Virginia, ordering all farmers to grow the Indian hemp seed. Interesting fact, nearly over 69 million Americans over the age of 12 have tried marijuana at least once in their lifetime. Interesting, right? So why not legalize it? It wasn't until the 1900s that it was introduced to society as a recreational drug. The first official prohibition of marijuana was in 1937 by passing the Marijuana Tax Act, which did not completely legalize it, but it criminalized those who actually possessed the drug. Research to use marijuana for medical purposes began in the 1970s when they discovered the usefulness of the drug to help those with glaucoma. The zero-tolerance climate of the Reagan and Bush administration that ran from 1981 through 1993 resulted in a passage of the strict law and mandatory sentencing for those who actually possess the marijuana. However, marijuana is a legal drug but used for many medical purposes, as we have been made aware. Even though it's highly costly in the United States, legalizing marijuana would decrease crime, free so much more governmental resources to focus on the real crime. The war on drugs will disseminate the cartels and will lose billions of dollars on the legalization of marijuana. Marijuana will always be a controversial topic. However, there are many concerns over the legalization, such as minors obtaining the drug much easier than ever. Also, determining the legal limits of a user. Some ways to fix this problem is to show that marijuana is used for medical purposes. It will boost our economy and provide less crime. Educating the nation with the reality that the drug isn't as harmful as we perceive it to be. Marijuana has been around for centuries and needs to be legalized, just as alcohol, tobacco, and pharmaceutical drugs. Now come on, nation, let's go ahead and legalize marijuana for the better of our nation. That concludes